yet to come. Hey future, I believe we're heading for the day.
Thank you so much po ulit sa pag-invite sa amin, and excited po kami na makasama kayo and makilala po kayo dito sa ating simple program. Of course, gusto ko na rin po i-take itong chance para mag-thank you sa ating sponsors or our host, Caceres Family, our advisor, Dr. Jen Yocarisa, and to all my classmates and co-studentistas.
I know, in my bones. Yeah, the best, all the best.
Mga kids, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And sana marami tayong matutunan today and mag-i-enjoy po tayo.
The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Of course, happy birthday po sa ating centenarian, si Lalaita. Thank you so much po and good morning.